everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Ramadhani, my NPM 060. Today I would like to talk about my higher education matters for our futures. This topic is very important for us, especially as students who are preparing for our future career. Okay, the first slide, introduction. The first, definition of higher education. The second, after high school. And the last, university, college, and academy. Let's talk about what higher education. Higher education is the level of education that we take after finishing high school. It includes university, college, and academies. In higher education, we don't just study basic subject, but we also focus on specific fields like education, engineering, business, and many more. So, higher education helps us prepare to our future jobs and career. The next slide. Why is it important? The first, career opportunities. The second, better knowledge. And the last, build mindset. First, it gives us better career opportunities. People who have higher education usually have more chance to get good jobs with better salaries. Second, it improves our knowledge and skills. We learn not only theory but also how to think critically and solve problems. And the last, higher education help build our mindset. We become more open mindset, responsible, and confident in facing challenge. The next slide, types of higher education. The first, university. The second, polytechnic, and the last, academy. There are several types of higher education. The first, university. University usually focus on theory and research. For example, students learn concept and do research in their field. The second, polytechnic. Polytechnic focus more on practical skills. Students learn by doing, so they are more ready for work. And the last, academy. Academy usually focus on specific skills or profession like nursing or tourists. So students can choose based on their interests and goals. The next slide, benefits. The first, networking. The second, experience. And the last, personal growth. First, networking. In college, we meet many new people such as friends, lecturers, seniors, and even professionals. This connection can be very useful in the future, especially when we are looking for job opportunities. Second, experience. We can gain experience not only from studying, but also from internships, group projects, organization, and events. This experience help us develop both hard skills and soft skills. And the last, personal growth. Higher education help us become more independent. We learn how to manage our time, make decisions, and take responsibility for our actions. So college is not only about studying, but also about growing as a person. The next slide, challenge. The first, financial issue. The second, time management. And the last, stress. However, higher education is not always easy. There are also some challenges. First, financial issue. Some students may find it difficult to pay tuition fees or manage their daily expenses. This can be a big challenge. Second, time management. Students have to balance many things such as classes, assignment, exam, and sometimes even part-time jobs. Managing time properly is very important. Third, stress and pressure. Deadlines, exam, and expression can make students feel stressed or overwhelmed. But actually, their challenges are part of the learning process. If we can face them well, they will make us stronger, more disciplined, and more prepared for the future. The next slide, how to success. The first, stay motivated. The second, discipline. And the last, ask for help. So, how can we success in higher education? The first, we must stay motivated. Sometimes we feel tired or lazy, but we have to remember our goals and why we start. That will keep us going. The second, discipline. We need to manage our time well, make schedules, and stay focused on our priorities. Small habits can make a big difference. And last, don't be afraid to ask for help. If we don't understand something, we can ask our friends, lecturers, or even search for additional research. And one more thing, we should also take care of our mental and physical health, because success is not only about academic results but also about balance in life. Okay, the last slide, conclusion. In conclusion, higher education is very important for our future. Is it not only about getting a degree, but also about improving our knowledge, skills, and character? Through higher education, we can prepare ourselves for better career opportunities and real life challenges. Even though there are some difficulties like stress or time management, those things can help us grow and become more responsible. So we should stay motivated and do our best in our education, because what we learn today will be very useful for our future.